Yeah, there we go. All right, September 9th, right? Yeah, 9th, 2024. Okay. So today we're gonna try and we're gonna button up the rest of the grill. It's loose here and there. I actually have my kit.
Do you have the bolts for them?
Yeah.
Or did we lose them?
Yes, I should.
Okay.
Did it work for you?
Yeah, it worked for us.
Sweet, sweet, sweet. Okay. Our fancy dancy Patriot lighting toolbox.
More like the randomized toolbox.
We are so well organized. Okay.
Toothbrush.
Yeah, we were cleaning out. I soaked the reflector lenses and marker lights in soapy water yesterday. And then we cleaned them off and used the brush to get into the small crevasses of...
So you're telling me I was brushing my teeth with that?
Yes. I mean, it's been cleaned. Okay. Where's that other tool with the 7mm on it? Oh, looking right at it. Hello, come on. All right, so what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna pull this one out. I'm just gonna replace it with that screw, hidden out of the way. You're never gonna see it, doesn't matter. And then we'll use this screw up over here. And all the visible stuff, that's all that matters.
We've magically found the screw.
That'd be hilarious. What I use this one? Yeah. You're gonna hold that. I don't want to lose that screw. I'll be miffed.
Good idea.
Put that in there. Second verse, same as the first.
It's good enough.
I wonder if I could use a bigger one, I guess.
Oh, no.
Oh, is it tightening up?
Oh.
Oh, now you done diddly did it. Here, let's try this one.
It was this screw.
This one's a little bit thicker. Yeah, let's do this one. This will separate that better. Or the screw will separate this one better. So, if I can, please let me grab you. All right.
Whoa.
So, so this is one we were using, and it seems like you're having issues with. I'm going to switch to this one, so when the screw comes through, it'll separate the walls more. Because I don't think it's separating this one enough. I just thought, since this one had a little bit of ridge, that... do you need a flat blade screwdriver to pull it out, or...?
No.
Ah, I see where you're at. Okay. Ooh, I don't want to drop that. Not that matters, I have like 20 of them. All right, I like that a little bit better. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Don't tell me that hole's bigger.
Just leave it.
This is the problematic side, though. It is the same screw. That's weird. I wonder if that hole's just made wrong. You know? We could try this, too.
Yeah. Let's try that.
This one actually will... Yeah, I think this will work better. Can you get that one again? Who cares? It'll fall out when you're going down the road when we get it running.
If we can ever get past this part.
Okay, I kind of like that a little bit better. I don't know how well it's gonna work. Does the screw just go right through it?
It's not gonna work, buddy.
Dang it! I mean, we could just use the 2 silver screws up top, I guess, because we have another one of these.
Oh, what?
Phillips, that's sitting right there on the radiator shroud. I hate Phillips screws. You strip them so easy.
Just don't strip them.
Well, okay.
Easy as that. Yeah, a lot better.
Oh, okay. All right.
Let's use that.
Let's use those. I like that a lot better.
Grab the other one.
Now we have extra screws for something else. I don't know.
You put that other one back in.
Yeah, grab that other silver one.
Oh, dude.
Those wasps are just
Good, dude.
Yep, so those are the ones we're switching to, and then also we're using these bad boys for the square holes because it seems to work a lot better. Yeah, I like how that engaged even. Hey, yoy. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're cooking with gas. I can put this screw back in under here then. Obviously, we won't have the Cobra done before October. I don't think that'll happen at least.
Feels like more like a winter project.
Yeah, but I think we're still gonna. The idea is we're still gonna trailer it over there and show it. Yeah. Okay. I got that back in. I mean, it's solid.
Fine.
We are completely in and finished
With the grill.
with the grill.
Finally.
The grill.
Y'all didn't see the other parts of getting it off and on.
Oh no, yeah, that's just photos. So I know we have photos from
the
that.
two
so,
screws that got the most
Yeah.
the most time.
Well, I've been recording. So the couple weeks that we haven't really been able to find a good schedule with each other, I've been coming over here and working on it and recording it.
Did you film the grill?
Yeah, I got.
Oh, sweet.
I didn't get. Let's see here, because we put on the assembly, the Raider support. Me and you did, and then I've been recording ever since that.
Sweet.
So, okay, so the next thing I guess will be figuring out timing. That's the only thing I can think of right now off of what, Google says of what the problem could be. I have, oh man, that'd be really weird if it's timing. That distributor's never moved. I mean, I'll get the timing gun and we'll start her up.
Where is
See if I can see the, yeah, I can see the mark, the timing marks. So we'll start her up and see if we can get the timing set, or see if the timing is even set properly.
Where is it on here?
It's like right in, so obviously harmonic balancer.
It's down there, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
and you can see the teeth of the.
I was trying to look down there, but I couldn't see.
It's hard. The other thing, so if it's not timing, my concern is that it's transmission. Which
would explain why it would go in gear.
Right. It could go in gear, but if you're high RPM, because the torque converter keeps locking up, even at idle. So it's just dragging the motor down.
Where's the timing light?
Very bottom drawer of the toolbox. I think it's red. Has some wires on it. Yeah, it's black. Okay. I remembered that totally wrong.
Calling.
I don't have the keys out here.
Here, just.
No, I can attach it to the terminal end. I'm gonna go grab the keys. If you want to put on the terminal. Oh. This is what I used to screw it on. Terminal sitting here in the
I've seen that
valley. So you'll see the hood light come on when you have good contact.
Yep.
Okay.
Sparky. Ooh. Got it. That's not mine.
Okay. Okay. Have you used a timing light before?
Yes.
Okay. I'll just go straight to the battery. Let's do positive and ground off the battery. Should be able to get on those terminal sides. I do want to make this a top post system eventually because I hate side post.
Yeah.
Hate it with a passion. I have never had a good experience with side post. Here you go. That's our coil, right? Yeah. No, yes. There we go.
That is.
Okay. Oh, I want to make sure it doesn't catch on anything. Oh. Okay. Oh, don't tell me it's broke.
No light.
Oh, the light flashes when you're running, though.
We're done.
Yeah. All right. Just watch your wires. I'd probably take the drinks off because this truck shakes a little bit.
Quite a lot.
Just don't kick it. Otherwise you lose your drink.
I hope not.
Yep. Make sure your wire's clear, and I'm going to fire it up. All right, we're clear?
Yep.
All right.
I think we need to pull a. I think it's when you crank it is when it.
No, this is how you run your timing.
Yeah.
What are you seeing right now? I got you. The harmonic even have a, oh man.
I don't think it does. That's why I can't see
It does, but it's probably rusted. I think I can kind of see the
I can kind
mark.
of see it. It needs to go to the left.
You see how it's like bouncing back and forth?
It needs to go to the left. Or my left.
I think you're right. So let me get a good look at the distributor here. Okay, I'm gonna go grab a 1/2 inch wrench. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Oh. Oh, it's a coolant hose passage. Okay. Yeah, one more tooth that way, I would totally be able to get on it with the box end. Nope. Oh, there we go.
Oh, got it. Sweet.
Okay, so now
Now we can turn it.
Now we can turn it. All right. Watch your wires. Now cranker, are we clear?
Yeah.
Here we go. Let me know where you're at.
We go that way.
I think clockwise. It moves. It's really
It's hard to tell.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Nope.
Oh,
I killed it. I went too
Okay.
far.
too far. Let me turn on.
Yeah. Okay, still.
So,
Let me go this way with it then. Go for it. Okay, so it's like
close.
it's right there then. It's basically right on where it's supposed to be then. So I wonder if it is transmission based. Go crank her back over for me. I mean, it could be as simple as cap and rotor. I've never pulled that thing. I don't even know what it looks like.
Looks fine.
We're good?
It's right on it.
All right. Let's throw it in gear and see what happens. It'll probably die. Because I doubt it was a timing issue.
Yeah.
Yeah, it almost feels like it's trying. All right, let's pull this cap off. I'm gonna tighten it where it's at right now, because it seems like that's probably a good spot for it anyway right now. Looks like a Phillips. All right, so let's pull this cap off. Let's see what it looks like. So, I mean, if we have high corrosion on it, then, you know, that's a no-brainer. Voltage can't keep up with it because it's under so much load or something, you know, that kind of thing. There's that one. I can't really see the back one. Nope. It's close. I think. Okay, there's no way I'm on it. Let's see if I can get in here. Where are we? There you are. As I burn my hand on the coolant hose. Didn't think it'd get that hot.
Yeah.
But yep, it feels like it's moving.
Okay.
There we go. Yep. All right. I might actually throw an extension on this one and go back on. Oh yeah, she's fighting. I would almost bet you it could be the cap. Sat for basically 2 years in the elements like this, and Dad never replaced it. At least it looks like he never
Cold,
did.
wet.
That looks like it's still factory.
Super hot.
Factory plug case, protectives. Conduit, that's the word I'm looking for.
Oh.
Okay, we might be
Saved.
we might be looking at a distributor in total. Wow.
That is
Okay.
cooked.
Let me see if I can get this flipped up and around. The amount of rust in there. Wow.
Just take the ignition.
I gotta figure out exactly which ones I want to take off so I can put them back on in order so I don't miss. Okay. Yikes. Pull this. Oh, that should pop off. Oh, yeah. All right, look at that. How are we even running? Okay.
Show the camera.
So, where are we at here? Inside the distributor cap, might have to zoom in actually. You can kind of see it off the little, what would those be, terminals? Where are the terminals? That's a high amount of corrosion buildup. The fact that we were running is seriously
Jeez.
beyond me.
Big fella.
That is wild. And then, I mean, distributor itself,
It's just...
it has a crap ton of rust. I mean, it's possible that we could... Man, I'm kicking everything. It's possible that we could just, you know, replace the cap.
Yeah.
And probably be okay. Like we did cap, plugs, wires, and rotor.
And
we could probably
then-
get away with it, but I mean, I don't know if that
I feel
rotor
like it'd be better just to
do the whole thing.
replace the distributor too. But
Yeah, because that rotor seized. Wow. Boy, ain't that a kick in the pants. Man, oh man. Even if it is still transmission, obviously we need a distributor. So regardless, it has to happen. Make sure you pull that nut out and throw it in the tray next to the battery, or that the battery's in. Otherwise it'll roll off and disappear. So we figure out what we need. Throw it in the tray next to it. An entire distributor, plugs, wires.
What happened?
It's so over time, I think this is what Dad was running into, and he just never got around to it, is that the distributor has a bunch of corrosion buildup. I'll show you in the video later, on each of the terminals, because inside where these plug wires sit,
Yeah.
there's a little piece of metal that hangs down, and then there's another component that turns past them.
Okay.
When it turns past it, it sends the spark through,
Okay.
which obviously is a spark plug wire.
Right.
And goes down the spark plug. There's maybe like a couple millimeters of corrosion, which is going to create such a high resistance, you're not going to get spark through.
So, and you can't even clean it.
We could, but the distributor itself is rusted,
Oh.
like really bad. I can't even get the component that spins called a rotor, and that's supposed to actually just, for the most part, pull off, and it's seized.
Part of that could even be because it's sat out here. Nobody's been driving it because you can't drive it.
There's that too,
it's
but
been
Dad
out
was
in the
dealing with that.
elements too, and it's been out in like the rain,
That's
snow.
right.
Yeah, well, and Dad was dealing with that surging issue all the way back before the tornado
I
even.
was
So.
telling him what happened that night.
But let's get on to the wiper switcher thingy
Yeah.
controller, whatever the heck it's called, multi-function switch. You have the battery disconnected, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Because gotta pull the horn pad off. Good, that'll just stick right back down in there. That wasn't even supposed to come out with the horn pad. Oh, come on.
Well, now it does.
Yep, I'll separate that later so I can put that back in. All right, so I'm gonna need to grab a flat blade screwdriver. I'm probably gonna have to mark this too, maybe.
You want a marker?
Yeah. Thanks. Also make sure that I don't actually have to remove the steering wheel or something. I think I do though. I'd be surprised if I don't have to remove the steering wheel. Missed. Oh. Oh yeah. These turn signal sticks, like $150 still. Because it has cruise control.
It's ridiculous.
Like I should have just kept my old Camaro's turn signal switch, because it was cruise control. A lot better condition than this. Would have worked, I think. All right, so I got that off. So I'm gonna need, oh man, I don't even know what size that is. Big. It's just big. Hopefully the short one works. I don't really want to use this 1 foot long. You're sitting out here trying to crank on it. This should work. Okay. Nope. Yep.
Oh, there you go.
Hey, that wasn't bad at all. Usually these things were stuck like none other.
Yeah.
Sweet, 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 sweet. That's that. All right. And oh, good. It actually has its own marker.
Okay,
Yep.
sweet.
I still will give it a nice little dot for indication, even though I can barely see it with the sun. That's fine. You know, usually I'm able to rip these off, but I don't think this is it. I don't even think I have a steering wheel puller here.
Let me get a crack at it.
Yeah.
We won't give up.
Well, that really should budge at least by then. Tell you what. Oh, I have WD-40 in the truck here. Dang it. All right. Give her a little squirt. I did end up picking up bulbs too. I totally forgot.
Sweet.
I'll go look in the toolbox, see if we have a steering wheel puller. I mean, surprised Dad didn't have one. It might work.
Oh.
Yeah. Here.
Yeah, that should work.
And then we had like, oh crap. These two aren't the same, but yeah, just test and see which bolt actually threads in. I'm going to see if there's another pair for the two odd threads there. Yeah, there we go. Yay, nay?
No. These ones definitely aren't going to fit.
None of them do?
No. Maybe that one. Perhaps. Nope. Nope.
I mean, we have plenty of bolts. I can keep grabbing them.
Where was the other ones that were on it?
It doesn't come with them on it. That's specifically, those are holes specifically there for pulling it. This one didn't work at all. Was it a coarse thread or fine thread, or did it thread at all?
Oh, never mind.
I think, well, yeah, I'm okay with that. Is
one?
this the other one?
Maybe I'll switch those around.
Threads on the other one could be boogered too, so that's fine. I'll grab here, hand me one of them. I'll grab a socket for it. Might actually have one out here already. That we do. That we do. Okay. There we go. Now, what do you think? Yeah? Or no? Too big? I think we have a smaller one.
These
Here's a
just aren't
socket.
long enough.
Oh, they're not long enough
No.
now? Okay. Hang on. I'll be right back. See if I find a longer one.
See?
I did find a smaller paw.
That might work.
I think I still can find another bolt still though. Sorry.
It's so close, but it's not. Well,
Okay, I'll be right back then.
Hold on.
I wasn't sure if that would work, but hey, look at us now.
Jeez.
Is it moving? Ooh, support the bottom of the steering wheel. Yeah, when you go down. Oh. Oh. Yes. Ha ha ha.
Sweet.
Look at us.
Mechanics.
You just leave it on there. Doesn't matter. We'll mess with it when we're going back on. All right. Now I have no idea how to take that plastic stuff off. I'm assuming it comes in pieces. Well, I mean, duh. But you got your phone on you?
Yes.
Or is there screw holes on the bottom? Let's see, we'll probably Google it real quick. So you might actually have to take the ignition lock cylinder out too. Don't touch that one. That's your clock spring. Or no, this doesn't have a clock spring.
Nope.
No airbag.
Oh, that's not it. Ooh.
Oh, is there release tabs?
Need a smaller one.
Smaller screwdriver.
Flathead.
Yep. We got the steering wheel off. We got some of the screws out as well. And yeah, I did not realize that you had to disassemble 30% of the steering wheel to get to that. So we're gonna focus on that next week. I'll get some parts ordered, things done. I'm just, grill's done.
It's a lot better.
I can put the lights in later. I don't care. We're just missing this bulb and those two over there. So, but they look good. I like it. Grill looks good. Dad did a good job getting that. He's had that for like 3 years. Or actually, I think 4. I think he got this back in 2020. Sheesh. Because the old grill was already starting to do that weird chrome peel thing.
Yeah.
So, we have that random horn. I got to find somewhere to mount because I don't remember and I don't see a mounting point on this. New radiator support for it.
Probably should take pictures of the old one.
Nah. We're guys. We don't do that. Fly by the seat of our pants. Anyway, so that's what we'll do. That's what we're gonna do. We'll just go from there. Everything else is kind of working. I mean, when you turn the headlights on, they do headlight. So, turn signal. So, it's kind of all that matters. All that really matters. Everything else is working. We just gotta do a distributor and that. So, let's go from there. See you next week, I guess. Bye.
Deuces. Peace.